are a really great snack. They're also quite healthy and they make a fantastic basis for a dressing. Now I'm going to be using these for a delicious blue cheese and walnut salad. Now to make this into a dressing, a little bit of sherry vinegar, you could also use balsamic vinegar, and I'll add this just to a little jug, about 30 mils, along with a little bit of water. And now I add a nice handful of pitted prunes. Now I'll use a stick blender to puree the prunes with the sherry, and then once it's really smooth, I'll start emulsifying with some olive oil. Lovely, this dressing is done. It's silky smooth. It's the perfect consistency. Have a look at this. If it's too thick, all you need to do is just add a little bit more of the warm water and then it's ready to go. We'll serve this sticky, sweet, delicious sauce over the blue cheese salad, and it also goes really well with mushrooms and roast lamb.